Porto is one of the cats who remained in my care. He is about 11 years old. When he was younger, he had liver failure. But he is a fighter and he got over it. Recently, a cyst started to grow above one of his back legs. Of course, we went to the vet, and after some checks, the vet decided to remove it by surgery because it was growing. We had to make first some blood tests and also a heart check because he's quite fat and we didn't want to put him under a risk. But thankfully the blood tests were fine. His heart is also fine, and 9 days ago we went through the surgery. The surgery wasn't too easy and it lasted more than 1 hour. But thankfully all went fine and he recovered even faster than the vet was expecting. Today, 9 days after the surgery, he is feeling just fine and he can perfectly use his leg and jump. He is one lucky boy and he is another proof that we should never give up at our ill cats. We have to be near them when they have a health issue and we should never give up.